I've been wanting to put out a video weekly, and this week has just been crazy. And so with my extra work and all of the fun stuff I've gotten to do, filming took a back seat. So not a big deal. I have a Facebook Live video I'd like to share with you for my personal training, chat with the personal trainer group. It's a delicious chicken salad recipe that's good on Joseph Pitas or in a low-carb tortilla or however you want to eat it. Anyway, without further ado, that's where we're going to skip to, and that's why you'll see me chatting with some people live because it was filmed live. Hi guys, I'm getting a late start on lunch, but I wanted to show you my favorite chicken salad recipe, and you can adapt it to whatever feels good to you. Like, I think shredded carrots would be yummy in here. I'm gonna make it easy. You can use like cut up rotisserie chicken or whatever. I'm gonna use a can of the Costco just canned chicken breasts. And it's fairly big chunks, and they will break up as we stir in the other stuff. So that's going in here, making sure I'm in. There we go, in frame. Hi, Casey. Oh, I made it very crooked now. Okay. All right, that's chicken. Then I've got 2 green onions sliced. And then 1 cup of celery. And I diced it, you know, fairly small, about 1/8 piece. Same thing with bell pepper. And I love the colors. I've already got green for my celery, so I picked colors for my bell pepper. Then 1 apple, it's about a cup. And 1 cup of halved grapes. Hi, Valerie. Now, it did take me about 15 minutes to chop all that stuff ahead of time. It's not a super big deal. And then look, this is a decent size bowl. Then I've got about 1/4 of a cup of chopped pecans. Now, I'm looking at this thinking, I might next time put another can, like 2 cans of chicken in here. It's up to you how you want to do it. It looks delicious. Okay, then I've got the light mayonnaise made with olive oil. Just going to do about 2 tablespoons of that. And the same amount of the plain Greek yogurt. Just mix it up right in bowl. And then about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. This is so pretty and colorful. You can use it. Oh, Valerie says, I'm gonna try that. That looks good. I'm so glad. It is delicious. And it's so pretty. You can use it, you can have it with whole grain crackers. You can have it just plain. You can toss it over shredded lettuce. I'm gonna fill it one of these Joseph Pitas that I showed you yesterday. They're 60 calories and they're fairly like substantial. And I'm just gonna fill in there. And then I like a little salt and pepper. I forgot to put it in the whole bowl, so I'll just sprinkle this one and then add some to my whole bowl. So then on the side with this, and then I just pick it up and eat it like a sandwich type thing. I think I could get more in there. I've got my veggie tray. And I've eaten down enough veggies that my dip fits in the middle. And then I can have a side salad. I still have lots of veggies left on my plan. This is like my first meal of the day, so I could pretty much add anything on the side that fits into my plan with this. But on its own, it's fairly filling and fairly substantial. So hope that helps you, and have a great day.